everyone, tribe. Today I'm here facing one of my biggest challenge this winter break. I've been hiking for 5 hours through the mountains in search of it, the famous Yeti's cave. Do you know the story? They say there's a mega magical Yeti capable of granting you 3 wishes. I know! It sounds almost too magical, but isn't it awesome to believe in magic? Let me just call him out. Yeti! Yeti! Is anyone there? Hello? Ah! This is the coolest Yeti! Hey Yeti, can you grant me 3 wishes? Huh? I think he's trying to say something. Let's read. For me to grant you 3 wishes, and they can't be material wishes. Oh, you have to correct all the following challenges. Okay, I'll present several sentences, some in present and some in past tense. And you have to determine what's the right tense. Okay? All right, I'm super ready. Come on, let's go. Give them to me. The first sentence is, today I am very excited because I'm making a snowman. Okay, how can I tell if this is a present sentence or a past sentence? Oh, look! The words today and am are underlined. Hey. Are those hints? Okay, got it. So then it's present. Yes, because today, it means that it's happening today, like right now. And am is the present form of the verb to be. In the past, simple would be I was. Am I right? Yeah, I'm right. And thank you. What a beautiful crystal. I love it. Okay, one more challenge. We played in the snow and made snow angels on weekends. We played in the snow and made snow angels on weekends. That's easy. It's a present simple sentence. Oh, no, I hate this sound. Oh, I think I'm wrong, guys. Yes, you're right. The suffix ed, yeah, I forgot about it. Oh, yes, it's true. Yes, play, it's just for the present tense, but in a past form would be played. Yeah, we need to add those 2 letters at the end. Oh, I was so confident, guys. Yes, it's true. And we also have made. In its present form, it's make. Oh, and you're taking the crystal? Oh, come on, give me another chance. Okay, here we have another chance. I go sledding. Okay, wait. I go sledding to the snowy hill with my family. I think it's a very easy sentence. Go, right? Points a present. Yeah, it's a present situation. I'm a little bit nervous because I don't want to make another mistake, but let's just try. I think it's a present sentence. Yes, it's a present sentence. Great. And we got a purple crystal. I love this color, like my suit. One more chance. Last winter, we learned to ice skate. Last winter, we learned to ice skate. What do you think, guys? Last winter, we learned to ice skate. Oh, last is underlined and ed as well, are shining. I think that those references are pointing a past simple form. Yes, am I right? I don't want to look. Yeah! Okay, and we got a yellow crystal. Can I make my wishes now? Oh, I can't? Oh no! I'm sorry, only if you pass all challenges, but don't worry. When you least expect it, I'll give you another chance. Oh!
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kids, okay, now we get through the past simple, okay? This is the concept we're going to study. What should you do? See that on the coming videos you will find any of these signs and you need to decipher the message and pay attention to the words, okay, that are written next to them. So let's go and do the first activity together. Do you know how to talk about past situations? Look, today I go to school, and this is something that I do in the present. Today I go. But if I want to mean and talk about the same action in a past moment, in a past situation, I need to change the verb. I cannot say yesterday I go to school. I say yesterday I went to school. When we talk about past habits, situations, and facts, we use the past simple. To use this tense properly, you have to remember that generally and for regular verbs, we need to add into the infinitive the suffix ed for regular verbs. Okay, these are regular verbs. Regular. Yeah, like the regular rule, like generals. So the verb in infinitive and we add ed at the end. I play, today I play games, yesterday I played games. Today I dance a song, yesterday I danced a song. Today I paint a picture, yesterday I painted a picture, yes? But what about the irregular verbs, such as go, swim, to be, have? Those verbs change completely. They change completely. Change completely, irregular verbs, right? So we need to remember and memorize the new forms. For example, today I go to school, yesterday I went. It's not I go it, no, it's I went. Today I swim in the beach, yesterday I swam. I need to put an A instead of I. And read, today I read books, yesterday I read books. It changes the pronunciation, but it's exactly the same word. So remember that. Now let's find and underline the verbs from below. And what tense are they pointing? Present or past tense? Today, I am very excited. Okay, the verbs. So let's go and I'm going to use this marker and make a circle underline the verbs. Today I am very excited because I made a snowman. We played, it's a verb, in the snow and made snow angels on weekends. I went sledding on the snowy hill with my family, and last winter I learned to ice skate. These are the verbs, but now are they in present or past? Let's see. Today I am, it's present. Yes, I am in the present. I am very excited because I made, it's past. Make is present, made is past. We played, if we have ed, is past. We played in the snow. And made, again, past, a snow angel on weekend. I went is what? Present or past? Past. I went sledding on the snowy hill with my family. And last winter, I learned we have ed. So if we have ed, it's past simple. Yes? And this is it. Yep. Remember, the past simple is the form we used to talk about past situations, habits, truths, facts, okay? And for irregular verbs, we add ed, and for irregular forms, we new forms, like exceptions. And this is it. Well done, guys.